What's up, everybody? In today's video, we're just going to be working on the 1UZ engine again, and but before that, we're going to go get some food because we're hungry. Very hungry. We got Scruffy with us. He's chilling. We're gonna get some food.
Time to start the day.
Yeah, here we go.
Not for Scruffy. Not for Scruffy.
Well, that was delicious. Smashed it. She's slow. I'm gonna eat some of that though. Good. Okay, I am full. I am ready to get started on this engine. We got it right here. I gotta pull it out. Then I'll be able to get going on it. I really need to ooh, gross. Really need to clean all this stuff out here. And then I'll give these a good old scrubbing. And then I'll start getting the valves out of the, what side is this? Left side, right side? Left side. The left side valves and left side of the head valves. Exhaust side, intake side. Yeah, I'm gonna get to that. So let me pull this engine out and get started on this. Just blows my mind how all this dirt, not really this, because this is just the buildup of the oxidation, but this here, all the dirt just don't get how all this gets up in here. It's gross. But we're gonna suck this out with a vacuum. Banging in the background.
Turned off on its own.
We got most of these cleaned up. One left. These things are so dirty. So much carbon buildup. Now everything is good and clean. All the tops of our pistons here have been cleaned. Left side, right side. They all look pretty good. Actually, could probably clean these a little bit more. I could clean these a little bit better. But they look really good. I don't see really any damage. There are a little bit of dimples in some of them, but I'm just guessing that's due to oxidation. Or not oxidation, sorry. The carbon buildup, and just over time it just started to eat away, probably at the top of the piston. That's just my guess. Got that done. Now it's time to get onto these. We got everything out. I'm gonna put some new seals in, and then I got our valves cleaned. They all look really good. Bottom's cleaned up. Fantastic. Alright, so I just gotta find my gasket seal things here. Intake seals, exhaust about this whole kit here. Comes with everything I need. Valve cover gaskets, intake gaskets. I'm still not sure what these are. I'll probably figure that out once I get more into the engine. But yeah, this thing comes with everything I need to rebuild the top end. Got my timing and all that in here. Water pump, all that jazz. Okay. Whoops, don't want to lose that. Put these back in. Nice and safe. Oh, lost another one. Get in there. Get in there. All right, let's turn you around this way. Fall down. Cool. Perfect. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Got my CLB rolling. Cool. Let's get started. Alright. Just do one at a time. Don't want to lose any of these. I got my pick tool here. Probably not the proper way to do this, but you know, that's what I got. Make it work. I'm just gonna use that to slide it on. Give it a little push. Push, push. Perfect. You see it. Do that for the rest of these. Alright, I got the intake side done. Everything looks good. Everything's sitting properly. Now we just gotta do the exhaust side. I'm gonna pull everything out, remove the seals, stick everything back in. Valve club like this and make it look like that.
That's right, that's what I'm saying. We got our dirty carbon buildup valves, and then we got the pop special. Nice and clean, no carbon, good to go. Love it. A little bit of oil. Slider valve in through the back side here. Come on now. Oh, there we go. Valve. Little spring-a-dings. A little hat here. Valve hat. All right. This one in and I'll be back. So I'm going to show Pops here. He's going to clean our valves for us. Just grinding the material off.
Wire wheel.
Nice wire wheel. Not the grinding wheel. Wire wheel.
Light touch.
done. We got a clean valve right here. No carbon buildup. Looking really sexy. Hey, hey, hey. Put this one in, we'll be good to go. I got everything in other than the last two. Everything looks really good. Everything's set properly. On to the next one. Alright, so our heads are done. All the valves are in place. Exhaust valve, intake valves looking good. Looking real good. So we're just gonna do a quick test to see if everything is good to go. Just to make sure everything's sealed in tight. And then the next video we'll be putting these on our engine. And then we got the cams to put on, our water pump, be doing the timing, and that'll be part of the next video.